Hi everyone, I'm Kajal Mahindru. I have recently given my final semester exams of MSc. I have also given CSIR-NET 2020 and I got an AIR 77, and this year I have qualified GATE with an AIR 91 without any coaching. Also, I cleared PhD interviews at IIT Delhi and IIT Roorkee this year. Like every student entering first semester of MSc, they want to qualify CSIR, NET, GATE, and other competitive exams. I too have a kind of dream, but I do not know how will I do it because I was a kind of person who always do mug up. I always prefer to attempt a very long derivation rather than a simple numerical. Moreover, I have not given IIT JAM exam because I was not confident enough to clear it. Even if I attempt IIT JAM exam at that time, I would not be able to clear it because we require numerical solving skills, which I do not have at that time. I even got my MSc admission in Punjabi University Patiala because of my BSc marks, as admission was based on BSc merit. So, one thing was in my mind that I want to clear these exams, and if I want to clear these exams along with theoretical knowledge, I should be able to apply it in numericals. But see, in starting, I don't know how will I do it. Which books should I follow? Syllabus seems to be very infinite. So, like, how will I do? So, I started my preparation in second semester around February 2020. So, I would like to share my strategy for CSIR NET and GATE. So, first step to prepare for any competitive exams is knowing the syllabus, because without knowing the syllabus we will end up reading anything from the books. And I'm not against in reading books is really very important, I know, but this is not the demand of exam. In this way we will not be able to finish the required syllabus in required time. So, reading limited and required material from books is really important. And in addition, I follow some coaching institute notes and class notes from Telegram and Google, they are available, and also watch YouTube videos. So, next thing is understanding the pattern of exam. The syllabus of CSIR NET GATE is almost same. Rather, JEST and TIFR also have the same syllabus. The difference is in few topics. Like GATE has lesser topics as compared to CSIR NET. See, we have 9 subjects in physical sciences: mathematical physics, classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, electromagnetic theory. These are major subjects. They carry around 30 to 35 marks. And statistical mechanics, thermodynamics, and electronics, these are medium level subjects, not medium level, medium weighted subjects. They carry around 20 to 25 marks. Atomic molecular nuclear particle and condensed matter physics or solid state physics, they are minor subjects. They carry around 15 marks each subject. But in GATE all subjects carries almost equal weightage. So my strategy was to target CSIR NET June 2020 first, which was held in November 2020. My good luck, as I got much more time for the preparation of this exam. Next thing I did was understanding the cutoff trend. I have realized that in CSIR NET, if the paper is easy, then the JRF cutoff is around 100 to 105. LS cutoff is around 90 to 95. This was happened in like the paper was in December 2019. It was on a little easier side. And if the paper is moderate, like in November 2020, JRF cutoff always lies between 90 to 95 and LS cutoff between 80 to 85. And if the paper is tough, then the cutoff of JRF is 80 to 85 and LS is around 70 to 75. So clearly, if we are aiming for JRF for a safer side, we need around 110 marks, right? So, but see, paper contains 277.5 marks questions, from which maximum marks is 200. and in that 200 marks questions, we have to choose the questions which are to be evaluated. So in order to qualify CSIR net, you don't need to cover the whole syllabus. Even the topper do not do that. You can left 20 to 30% syllabus very safely. The next thing is choosing the subjects and material to study. See, in starting, I was really confused that how will I complete the whole syllabus? Which approach should I follow? What material should I follow? And I'm really grateful to one of my classmates who introduced me to the Telegram app. I joined some groups and searched various coaching institute materials, books, and also searched some YouTube lectures. I started my preparation with my favorite subject, that is mathematical physics. It is a scoring subject and a major subject also. So it takes me around 1 month to complete the whole subject. I read the theory part from the handwritten notes provided from the Telegram and make my own notes from those notes. I also followed books, YouTube lectures, etc. And along with that, I solved previous year questions, because see, if you will not solve the previous year questions, you will not get an idea of the exam, and you can't focus on what is important and what is not. Then I complete the rest of syllabus. Some of you might think that okay, only major subject completion is sufficient to qualify CSIR net, but that is not the case. See, if these are very much vast subjects and you can't be able to fetch full marks in all these subjects, so doing minor subjects is also very important. Rather, minor subjects are really scoring because syllabus here is not that vast. So these subjects have total 9 questions: 3 atomic molecular, 3 solid state, and 3 nuclear particle physics. Usually, even if you solve 4 to 5 questions, and in some case 6 to 7 questions, then you will easily fetch 20 to 25 marks very safely, and sometimes 30 and 35. They're really important actually, and it totally depends upon you which subject you will leave. Like in my case, I left analog electronics completely. In solid state physics, I left superconductivity and magnetism part because I was in second semester, and these topics come in fourth semester. I also left partial differential equations from mathematical. In EMT, I did only electrostat and magnetostat. And in classical also, I left some topics, and I also left lasers part from atomic molecular. So like depending upon your comfort, your interest, you can leave some topics, because our aim is not to solve 277.5 marks paper, rather to solve around 140 150 marks paper, so that even if you get some questions done wrong, then you can safely clear this exam. So you can leave some topics. Next thing is very important, that is revision, the most important part, because if you don't do revision, you will forget easily what you have studied. And in exam, you have to remember formulas and apply them. So once you complete a subject, make short notes of that and revise those on daily basis. Short notes of one subject should be at most 6 to 7 A4 size white sheets. You can choose any sheets. I have chosen white sheets where formulas and important points are written. I have also download previous year questions subject wise up to year 2018 CSIR-NET and GATE from Physics by Physics Institute website, and they are available free of cost in their website. So next thing is a to-do list. A to-do list consists of your daily targets. See, a person like me have to do some household work. Like everybody have to do some work. Like I used to have a work like cleaning home, making some dinner, lunch, etc. Online semester classes. So I do not have a fixed timetable. So what I do was to set my daily, weekly and monthly targets, that today, let's say, I will complete matrices theory part. Next 2 days I will devote it to numericals and previous year questions. So nothing was like up to this am to this am I will do this. Yeah, but one thing should be there, that you should either wake up early or stay awake late at night, depending upon you. Are you a early bird or a night owl? So this gives you extra time in which you will not be disturbed while you study. Next thing comes is test series. I have not actually purchased any test series, but yeah, there were some free test series by Unacademy that time last year. So I attempt 2 to 3 tests and analyze my mistakes and weaknesses. And during syllabus completion phase, I solved previous year questions up to CSIR-NET June 2018, as I have told. So 2019 December, 2019 June, and 2018 December paper, I solve it as a full length test, keeping a timer of 3 hours on my phone and solving it seriously like I'm sitting in the exam hall. So I analyze my weak portions and study it again from notes and books. So this was like overall my strategy and routine to crack CSIR-NET 2020, which gives me confidence to get under 100 rank in GATE 2021. So I hope you find this video useful. So you have like 2 to 3 months, I expect, left for CSIR-NET 2021, depending upon the COVID situation. So do work hard, and your hard work will definitely brings you success in this exam. Thank you.